Hello students, welcome in chapter number 3, matrices. In matrices students, today I continue our new topic. Any matrix are represented as a sum of the two parts, one of the skew matrix and second are the matrix for the symmetric and second skew symmetric. So let's start the question number 10. Express the given matrix as the sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric part in the way of matrix A given 3, 1, 5, minus 1. So first of all, you just write down A matrix as a 2 summation x plus y, where x is our first part. Yes, it is a symmetric matrix, and second one is a skew symmetric matrix, and that become your two partition is done. Now I just known that symmetric matrix is always A plus A transpose and skew symmetric is always A minus A transpose. Already I explained to previous 8 and 9 numerical, and that balancing A transpose cancel, A and A 2A. So here I write down extra half because half A and half A become A, and this is your main parts. This is your symmetric and second is a skew symmetric. Now I will start to first of all A, and that way solutions ready. So now x is a half of A plus A transpose. Put down their values, A matrix plus A transpose matrix. Transpose also you write down the T either dash students. So A is what? 3, 5, 1 minus 1, and the transpose is 3, 5 here, and the row translated into columns. So that is your x, and defined by the additions 3 and 3 6, 5 and 6, 5 and 1 6, and minus 2 here. Just divided by 2. So here 3 3 3 minus 1. So this is your first of all symmetric matrix is one part is done. Now after that I going to second part, skew symmetric matrix. Now students, continue I going ahead. Our second part y, which is skew symmetric part, A minus A transpose with the half. Here apply matrix A and that apply its transpose. Our A is become 3 5 1 minus 1, and the same way transpose 3 5 1 minus 1. Row apply column, row apply column. So y become half of 3 and minus 3 0, 5 minus 1 4, 1 minus 5 minus 4, and minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. So just you get divided by 2. So here 0 2 minus 2 0. Therefore matrix A I represent in the sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric is done here. That is your A parts, here x and here y. A is you known that students 3 5 1 minus 1, and x also you calculate 3 minus 1, and y is 0 2 minus 2 0. That much your last answer. You also cross verify. 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 2 5, 3 minus 1 2, and minus 1 plus 0 minus 1. So that's your easily this numerical done. Now moving towards 10th second one. Only I this changing, and question number second matrix A, but represent is same. So this also solution same till up to that. And my question is that 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 and 2 minus 1 and 3. Again check, 6 minus 2 2, minus 2 3 minus 1, and 2 minus 1 3. Represent solution is same, students. The same write down, that also same till up to that. Now x, just write down the solution part. A matrix plus is transpose matrix, and I have A is clearly known, 6 minus 2 2, minus 2 3 minus 1, and 2 minus 1 3, and go to transpose. Row elements we will write in column. So 6 minus 2 2, minus 2 3 minus 1, and 2 minus 1 3, 2 minus 1 3, both plus. So your x part is done by the adding of this 12, minus 4 4, next minus 4 6, and minus 2, one more 2 and 2 4, minus 2, and last 3 and 3 6. Now divided by 2, that's simple divide, but each and every elements. So 6 minus 2 2, minus 2 3, minus 1 2, minus 1 and 3. That is the first part done. Now going to second. Y is equal to A minus A transpose. That become to our skew symmetric part, just value apply. So half, it will be A matrix minus A transpose matrix. A is that 6 minus 2 2, minus 2 3 minus 1, and 2 minus 1 3, and you just write down row to column elements. Translate in the transpose way, 6 minus 2 2, minus 2 3 minus 1, and 2 minus 1 3, and both subtracted. So Y matrix, you just subtract them. 6 minus 6 0, again 0 0, next 0 0 0, and last also students 0 0 0, and divide by 2. Nothing that all elements have 0, that's why it is a 0 matrix. So finally A matrix is a sum of the two, skew symmetric and symmetric. This is a symmetric. Unfortunately this is coming to again question, it means Y is 0. So my answer is A, that 6 minus 2 2, continue minus 2 3 minus 1, and last 2 minus 1 3, and this way also same, and here write down your matrix Y. So similarly write down the total data is same, look at that, all are same to x also, 2 minus 2 2, minus 2 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1 3, and that will be 0. That's your representation of the sum of the two matrices in the parts of symmetric and second skew symmetric. Now moving next question to third one. Only elements are changed, that students, otherwise this solution is same. You write down also the same process by this representation in the summations for symmetric and skew symmetric. So my A is the third one, 3 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 2 minus 5, and minus 1 1, and 2, again 3 3 minus 1, minus 2 minus 2 1, and minus 4 minus 5 2. Now same representation up to that, and go to x. So half with your matrix A plus your matrix its transpose. What is your matrix A? So 3 3 minus 1, minus 2 minus 2 1, and minus 4 minus 5 2. Now go to transpose it. This row I will write down to column, 3 3 minus 1, minus 2 minus 2 1, and minus 4 minus 5, minus 4 minus 5 with the 2, and both you just added, students. So 3 and 3 6, 1 minus 5, 3 minus 2 1, minus 4, and minus 4, next minus 5, next minus 4, and the 4. Now try to divide each data by the 2. Yes, so here divided the 2, so 3 half minus pi by 2, next half minus 2 and again minus 2, next minus pi by 2 minus 2 and the 2, and that become your first data is coming that X is a symmetric matrix. Now going to Y, half with A minus A transpose, and similarly attach them. So half same, matrix A first minus its transpose. So what is your A? A already done that, 3 3 minus 1 attach, 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 1, and last minus 4 minus 5 2, and take it transpose. So my transpose is a 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 1 and minus 4 minus 5 and 2. Now going to simplest your both subtractions. So 3 minus 3 0, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, and minus 4 plus 1 become minus 3. 3 plus 2 5, minus 2 plus 2 0, and minus 6, minus 5 minus 1, and last minus 1 plus 4 become 3, 1 plus 5 6, and 2 minus 2 0. Now I just divided by only 2. So 0 minus pi by 2 minus 3 by 2, pi by 2 0 minus 3, and here 3 by 2, here 3, but that is 0. Therefore last A is represent in the sum of the 2, one of the symmetric, second of the skew symmetric. So A matrix here done, I represent that will be X, and here the Y. Only you show the data. A is a fixed that 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 1, and last minus 4 minus 5 with the 2, and X represent that one. 3 half minus pi by 2, 3 half minus pi by 2, next half minus 2 minus 2, and last minus pi by 2 minus 2 and the 2. These are, and also I know the Y, 0 minus pi by 2 with the minus 3 by 2. Similarly 5 by 2 0 minus 3, and last 3 by 2 3 with 0. You also check that this is your addition is fulfilled for the right side to the left side. 3 plus 0 3, 5 by 2 and 1 by 2, 6 by 2, it means 3, and minus 1 plus carry minus 5 and plus 3, minus 2 by 2 minus 1. All data check. You just define that answer is same or not. Now I going to 10th, 4th questions. Again represent the same as a sum of the matrix for symmetric and skew symmetric. 1 5 and second 1 5 minus 1 2. Again check 1 5 minus 1 2. So this is the same. You same write down as well as sum of the two matrix, symmetric portions and the skew symmetric portions, and up to that is same. X is become half A plus A transpose. Now internal solution is almost same. So here attach X half A matrix plus here write down students A transpose. It is a 1 minus 1 5 2. Take it transpose. So 1 5 here, 1 and 5 here, and minus 1 and 2 row to column. So 1 1 minus 1 written, 5 2 written, and both plus. It will be 1 and 1 2 4, 4 and 4, 2 4, and here 4 and 4 divided by 2. So 1 2 2 2. This half it divide each terms. Now I will go to my second part is a skew symmetric. Y become half with A transpose minus subtract from the A. So my half is same. Here A matrix minus A transpose matrix. A I have 1 5 minus 1 2, 1 5 minus 1 2, and A transpose become that you same taking 1 5 here minus 1 2, 1 5 minus 1 2, 1 5 and minus 1 row to column change. So Y become very easy, 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 minus 5 minus 6, 5 plus 1 6 and 2 minus 2 0. So my answer is just divided by 2. So 0 3 minus 3 0. Therefore finally you will cover to matrix A is a symmetric plus skew symmetric. You just attach your data. Your answer is A. A is that 1 5 minus 1 2, 1 5 minus 1 2. Here x become also known you. Yes, apply the answer 1 2 2 2, 1 2 2 2, and y is similarly 0 3 minus 3 0. Now you will attach both added. It is add 5 and 5. Here 2 and 3 minus 1 and 2 plus 0 2. That's the over here students, question number 10. Now I will start my 11 questions. 11 and 12 both of the MCQ given. These are MCQ type questions. You will apply very easily in the solutions. So in the given matrix A and B are symmetric matrix if A and B are symmetric matrix of the same order, and then AB minus BA is a dash 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 dash. Options are printed. I will show also options wise. First of all, given skew symmetric matrix. Second, given students symmetric matrix. Next, continue zero matrix, and last identity matrix. So very easy. According to definition, I will show these questions. A and B are symmetric. So if A and B are symmetric, therefore A transpose become A, B transpose become B. That is the definitions. Now I will prove, check AB minus BA. So now AB minus BA I will check in the transpose. So AB transpose minus BA transpose, but that is the property. B transpose A transpose same, A transpose B transpose, and B transpose is a known. B that is A that is B, and you just subtract, minus 1 common taking. So remaining are AB minus BA. When you check this data is a fulfill for AB minus BA the transpose. Yes, definition coming. Any matrix transpose is the same but minus carry outside, so it is a skew symmetric. Yes, therefore I will telling by definition AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix, and that's your simple solutions. Now question number 12. 12 also IMP for exam level. That type question coming in exam. Yes. In the given for A matrix, cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha, and A plus A transpose is a I. For I is a identity, then asking alpha is a dash dash dash. Students, A dash written, either A transpose T written, both are same. So here A plus A dash is I. Put down very quickly A plus its transpose, and I known 1 0 0 1. Here apply the A matrix. My A matrix is a cos sine minus sine cos, and go to its transpose taking. So row I translate in the column. So first row become first column, cos alpha minus sine alpha, sine alpha cos alpha. Second row second column. Now both added, it is 2 cos alpha 0, that 0 here 2 cos alpha, and finally that done 1 0 0 1. It means students, you will add the both data. So just compare the both side by equal matrix. It is 2 cos alpha 0 1, so cos alpha become half, and when the cos is half, yes, you know that it is cos 60 pi by 3, so alpha become, students, easily done, it will be pi by 3. So alpha pi by 3, you just easily option right. And here over that this exercise, students. Now I will go to one little example is remaining in the way of that. Similarly, yes, one example is remaining, example number 22. Given matrices you represent as a sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix according to question number 10. Yes, example number 22. Yes, express matrix B 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 3 minus 2 minus 4 4 minus 3 as the sum of symmetric and askew symmetric matrix. Again I repeat, 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 and 1 minus 2 minus 3. So as a sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric, so you will write down B matrix is a x plus y. X is a symmetric matrix. Very easy, students. And plus second is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. And this part I know that it is one of the half B plus B transpose, again B minus B transpose, and these two are the your parts of the first symmetric, second as symmetric. Now I will start, therefore your x portion, this is your x and that is your y, half of B plus B transpose. Just put it the systematically, matrix B plus matrix B transpose on it. Now what is the B? Yes, 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 3 minus 2 and minus 4 4 and minus 3. Now apply transpose row elements. You will write down the columns minus 1 3 4 and 1 minus 2 minus 3, both of the added systematically. 2 plus 2 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 1 minus 4 minus 3. Yes, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 2 3 3 6. Now 2 and last of the minus 3 2 and minus 6. Now it will be divided by 2 to every data. Divide 2. So here 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Same, minus 3 by 2 3 2 3 is a 6 and here 1. Again minus 3 by 2. Next 1 and last 6 divided by 2, it is minus 3. This is your first data is done for the symmetric portions. Now I will go to skew symmetric. Similarly, so my second part, y is a half of B minus B transpose. It means students I that taking. Yes. So why as it is half, here apply B matrix minus it will be B transpose. What is your B? So 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 3 minus 2 and minus 4 4 minus 3, and it will take transpose for the B. So 2 minus 2 minus 4 1 3 4 and 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now start the both subtractions. 2 minus 2 0, minus 1 plus 2 1, 1 plus 4 5. Next minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, 3 minus 3 0, minus 2 minus 4 minus 6, and last element minus 4 minus 1 will be minus 5. Next 4 plus 2 6 and minus 3 plus 3 0. Now divided by 2. It's very easy process. So here 0, half 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2 0, minus 3. Next minus 5 by 2 3 and 0, minus 5 by 2, next 6 by 2 3 and it is 0. So finally you will cover B matrix is the sum of the two. One of the symmetric matrix, second is a skew symmetric. So here B mention, matrix A mention X and matrix Y. So what is your B? B is that, yes, 2 minus 1 1, next minus 2 3 minus 2 and minus 4 4 minus 3. X is also known, that is 2 minus 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. That's your first X value. I put it very well. Minus 3 by 2, 3 and 1, and last again minus 3 by 2, 1 and minus 3. And secondly Y is that 0, half 5 by 2. Continue, minus 3 by 2, 0, minus 3, and minus 5 by 2, 3 and 0. You should just check these are addition is fulfilled the total. 2 plus 0 2, minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 6 by 2. It means that is your minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 6 by 2, it is a 4, and that is your answers to cover the last. I will check also my answer, students, because of the some doubts that in the parts. First of all 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 3 1 minus 3 by 2 1 minus 3. X is correct. Y is 0, half 5 by 2, here minus half. Yeah, that is the wrong. This part is wrong I written, students. Don't worry, I will correct. 0 minus 3 and minus 5 by 2 3 and 0. Only this is a mistakes. I mean this is a mistakes. I mean here mistakes. I mean here mistakes. So I will show again to, yes, this is an error. 2 minus 2 4 minus 1. This is a minus 1. So minus 2 plus 1, it will be 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is a minus 1. Here minus half, students. Now it is a minus half. Yes, now it is correct. 0 minus 1 by 2 and minus 5 by 2. Yes, students, here over these questions. By mistake I written here, not minus, therefore the error coming. Now students, finally we are ending this video for the example 22 as a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, both additions and transpose matrix done here. And this part also stop here, students, and further explanations for the new videos I will explain to new topics in the matrix. Okay, bye bye.